March 10th, 2022. We're having a light rainstorm. Not really. You see the sides over here flooding, the side of the road. A lot of hydroplane. Everything is wet. Very, very wet. And flooded. For this time of year, it doesn't rain much harder. We got 3 inches of rain last night in roughly a 3-hour time frame, and it's 1:30 in the afternoon. Of course, it's a state law when it's raining to have your headlights on, but that all kind of makes sense. So let's see what happens here. We're going to take actually go to the gym and work out. This is part of a big cold front that's getting pushed down from the north and connecting with the Gulf and pulling a lot of moisture out of the Gulf, and that's obviously how we get all our rain. Florida is a major, basically, aquifer. And about an hour from here, where I am now in Pine Ridge, the largest freshwater spring in the world is located a little bit east of Ocala, Florida, where 1 million gallons of water a minute come out of this spring, which is as deep as 840 feet deep, and the water is so crystal clear that you can see the bottom. You can see the bottom of the spring. You can see Native American canoes that were underwater that are 450 feet below the surface. And it's estimated that they were made in the 1400s. But right here, we've just got ourselves a real hard rainstorm with thunder and lightning, but nothing like the thunder and lightning we see during the summertime. This is all good. I mean, it's going to rain for well, it's going to rain hard for about 2-3 hours, and then start to lighten up. It's actually pushing a little bit further south than what people thought. Talking to my wife Karen this morning. It's a little bit of an unusual time to get this much rain, and all of a sudden it just about stops. Let's see, maybe the green light means the rain will come back. This is Citrus County, Florida. About 1 hour north of Tampa on the Gulf side of Florida. When we moved down here 8 years ago, I was just amazed at the infrastructure as far as the highways and underground utilities, even though we're not looking at that right now. But that's why there's 1,000 people a day moving into Florida. One of the reasons, along with some common sense approaches to issues and problems. This is probably the most important video you've ever looked at. Not. Intersections here are bigger than what we'd ever seen up north. Well run. I'm looking at gas prices of $4.39 a gallon right now because of what's going on in Ukraine, and also because what's going on in the White House, mostly the latter. It's gone up, I'd say almost $1 a gallon in the last 4 weeks. Definitely picking up. Good drainage. I mean, the roads are flooded, but not bad. It's all spilling off where it's supposed to go. Here we are. See, this road's got a lot of water on it here. Hold on to my steering wheel. Going inside the gated community, which we don't live in, but I have a membership here, so we can use the facilities. Use the best gym in Florida, in my opinion, if not one of the best gyms in the country, because I'm a bit of a gym rat. Well, here's something interesting over here. That, I don't know if you can see that or not, but that little water reservoir, that's usually empty. A lot of water in it now, all running off. It'll drain. This is a manicured area. A lot of homes with tiny lots, but people love it. You know, it's fine. Houses 10 to 20 feet apart, but again, mostly retired people. Not what I would want to do personally. Four golf courses. Beautiful homes. Some of the homes are big, with quite a bit of land. Here's the gymnasium, believe it or not. That side houses a Olympic pool. We're going to come up here and take a left. So this is the front entrance to the gym. This is a gym. That's the gym. This is the gym. This is the gym. Tons of equipment. Racquetball courts. Boxing room. Which is pretty cool. So I'm just going around and showing it to everybody. Anyway, I'm going to step out of the car now pretty soon here. Go to the gym. Maybe you can help me find a closer spot. I'm not going to park here. Whoop. Same truck. All right. I'm going to head back over here to hopefully the front door. Looks like a lot of people are waiting to get out, waiting for the rain to stop. They're gonna have to wait a little while. I thought I'd be able to get something close, but apparently, oh, here we go. All right, well, thanks for your help doing that. Okay. So that's that. Got some new wiper blades, which are amazing. They're like 3 times the cost of normal blades, but they're solid silicone, and they last for years, even in the Florida heat. So we're going to start that up, shut it off. Okay, get out my umbrella and go back and have a workout. Hope everybody's well. Take care.